Hey guys, how's it going? Just got a quick video today. I just got this package in the mail. Really excited about it. It was a couple of figurines that I ordered on Etsy. The store name was printed by Jason. As you can see right there. Super great experience. He was very helpful. Yeah, I had a question about one of the figurines that I was wanting to order because it was actually kind of a two-parter, and I only saw the ability to order one of them. So I talked to him and we got it all worked out. And then when I got the box, first the shipping was very quick, and then when I got the box, I was very impressed also with the packaging. So we had one of these air packets, and we had foam. Under the foam, we've got the two products with more foam underneath. Now the products themselves are wrapped individually in these plastic bags, and then within the plastic bags we have the items themselves, which are also individually wrapped in this bubble wrap. And so we've got some artist tape or painter's tape, whatever you want to call it. So we got this wrap, we've got it wrapped up here, and just I am super pleased with how these have turned out. Let's see if I can get up a little closer to it. Oh, now we're out of the shot. Okay, so there's the side of it. We're gonna focus maybe. I'm still working on my setup here, so it's a little bit of trial and error and trying to get stuff to focus. But yeah, solid, it's lightweight. I'm really looking forward to painting this. It's just a coffin, but I really like the detail is kind of more on the minimal side, except for the side here. You can see there's a little bit of texture, but again, just I'm not seeing really anything that I'm going to have to clean up from the 3D printer, so that's really nice. So I can just prime this and get going on the painting. So again, these were from the Etsy store, printed by Jason. I'm definitely going to be ordering more from his store. He's also in the same state that I am, so I had really quick shipping, and I really just like to support more local type of small businesses like that. All right, so yeah, there we go. I'm not showing the other one because it's a surprise for my group. All right, well, you guys have a great day. I'll see you guys later.